Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to run page like campaign in Facebook ads. So if you want to get more page likes for your Facebook page through Facebook ads, then you can consider running Facebook page like campaign. Okay, so this would be a step-by-step process, and I'll show you how we can get more page likes for our Facebook page. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So I'll be advertising for this Facebook page. So you can see over here, currently I have 131 likes and I have to get more likes through Facebook ads. Okay. So this is a clothing store and they used to sell Indian sarees. Okay. So I have researched all the ad targetings and ad copies for this campaign. Okay, so what I'll basically do, I'll be creating 3 ad sets. So you can see over here, this is ad set 1, this is ad set 2, and this is ad set 3. And in each ad set, I'll give the same budget and I will test them for next 30 days. And within these 30 days, I'll definitely get a winning ad set. And I'm gonna scale the ad set budget on the basis of performance, and I will pause the low performing ad sets. Okay. So this is my main goal. I want to do A/B testing with these 3 ad sets. Okay. So if you see at ad set 1, I am targeting age range from 18 to 45, gender as women or female, location as Dhaka city, and daily budget is $10. And audience targeting would be Indian wedding shari and shari. Okay. And you can see over here, this would be my ad copy, primary text. Elevate your style with Queen's fashion. Discover the latest trends and unleash your inner fashionista with Queen's fashion. Like our page for daily fashion inspiration, exclusive deals, and more. Join our growing community of fashion enthusiasts today. Why choose Queen Fashion? Stay ahead of fashion trends, exclusive discounts, and offer fashion tips and inspiration. Be part of a supportive fashion community. Don't miss out on the fashion journey. Click the like button now and let's embark on a stylish adventure together. Hit like to join Queen's fashionable world. So this would be our primary text. And if you see at ad set 2, I'll keep everything same other than the gender targeting. Okay, so you can see over here at ad set 1, we are targeting only female, but at ad set 2, we are targeting female and male. So this is the only changes I'm making at ad set 2, and all the things will be remaining same. Okay, perfect. Then if I scroll down a little bit, then you can see we have ad set 3, and at ad set 3, I'm going to change this variant. Okay, and other things will be remaining same, like location. I will be giving location entire Bangladesh. If you go to the ad set 1, then you can see we are targeting Dhaka city as our ad set 1 location, but at our ad set 3 location, we are using entire Bangladesh. Okay, so this is the only changes I'm making at ad set 3. Okay, perfect. So let's implement them in my ads. Okay, perfect. So for implementing them, I'll go to the ads manager section. Okay, then I'm gonna click on create. Then I'm gonna be choosing engagement. Okay, then I'm gonna click on continue. Perfect. I will name the campaign as Queen's Fashion Page Like Campaign, or Facebook Page Like Campaign. Page Like Campaign. Okay, perfect. You can name it as per your requirements. I'll not be choosing any special ad categories. Okay, then campaign objective is engagement. If you want to enable A/B testing from here, you can do it from here, but I'll do it manually. If you want to enable advantage campaign budget, then you can do it from here as well. Then I'm going to click on next, and I'll name the ad set as ad set 1. Then I'm going to use a pipe, and I'll be copying this age range from here and paste it over here, and I'm going to give another pipe. Then as the gender targeting, I'm going to copy female from here and paste it over here, and location as Dhaka city, daily budget as $10. So if you go to my ad set, then you can see location Dhaka city, daily budget $10. So I basically name the ad set like this. If you want, you can customize it as per your requirements. Okay, perfect. Then from the conversion location section, I'm going to be choosing Facebook page. Okay, perfect. Then performance goal is maximize number of page likes, and you need to choose a Facebook page from here. Okay, so I have already selected Queen's Fashion as my Facebook page. Okay, and I'll give the daily budget as $10. Perfect. Then it started as October 15, and as I already told you, I'll be advertising this campaign for next 30 days. So I'll give the end date as November 15. Okay, perfect. Then as the location, I'm going to enter the location as Dhaka city. You can see over here, ad set 1 targeting. So instead of using Bangladesh, I'm going to use Dhaka. So I'm going to search for Dhaka. Then you can see over here, I'm going to be choosing Dhaka division Bangladesh, this one. So you can use the radius. Okay, so you can choose radius from 10 miles to 50 miles, or if you want, you can choose current city only. So for the time being, I'm going to be choosing current city only. Okay, perfect. Then if you want, you can use this option, advantage plus audience. Our ad technology automatically finds your audience. If you share an audience suggestion, will prioritize audience matching this profile before searching more widely. So this is pretty similar to Google Ads audience signal. Okay, you need to give some of the audience suggestions from here, then they will show your ads on the basis of your audience suggestions and their AI and machine learning technology. Okay, so if you want, you can test it. Okay, but I'm gonna click on switch to original audience option. Okay, then I'm gonna click on use original audience. Perfect. Then I'll not be choosing any custom audience because I'm not running any remarketing audience campaigns. Okay, then location as Dhaka city, age range, I'm gonna give the age range as, you can see over here, 18 to 45. So I'm gonna edit the age range from 18 to 45. Then as gender targeting, I'm gonna target gender as female. Okay, perfect. And we'll click on detailed demographic section, and you can see over here, we'll be targeting Indian wedding shari and shari. So I'm going to copy Indian wedding shari from here and paste it over here. Okay, so you can see over here, Indian wedding shari. So I'm going to click on it. So I'm targeting this as an interest. That means people who have interest on Indian wedding shari, they might see my ads. Okay, perfect. Then I'm gonna copy shari again and search for shari. Then I'm gonna be choosing shari as apparel. So this is basically an interest targeting. So again, people who have interest on shari, they might see my ads. Okay, perfect. Then if you want to exclude some audiences, you can do it from here. If you want to narrow some audiences, you can do it from here. I have a detailed video on it, how to exclude audiences, how to narrow audiences. If you want to watch the videos, you can go to my Facebook ads playlist, and then you can watch the video. Okay, perfect. So we'll keep languages as all languages. So if you want some customization, you can do it from here. Okay, perfect. Then we're in the placement section. So if you want, you can target advantage plus placement, but for the time being, I'm going to be choosing manual placement. So I'm going to click on manual placements, and the only option is selected over here is Facebook. Okay, because this is a Facebook page like campaign, that's why it is by defaultly selected. Okay, so you can see your ads will be appearing on feeds, search results. Okay, so this is the two options. Then you can see the estimated audience size is over here, and estimated daily result. Okay, daily result, daily reach 5.9k to 17k. Page likes might be from 234 to 676. Okay, perfect. Then I'm gonna click on next, and I'll name the ad as single image page like ads. So you can name it as per your requirements, no worries. Then you can see this is my Facebook page. It is selected over here, and I'm gonna click on add media. Then I'll click on add images. So you can either use image or video as per your requirements. So for the time being, I'm gonna be clicking on add images, and I'm gonna use images. Okay, just wait a little bit. So I'm gonna be selecting this image. I'll click on done. So the image is selected. You can see over here. Now we have an option called primary text. So I have already created a primary text for this campaign or for this ads. So I'm going to copy it from here and paste it over here. Okay, perfect. So you can enter 5 primary text for A/B testing. So for the time being, I'm going to be giving 1 primary text. Okay, perfect. Then if I click on advanced preview section, then you will see the preview of your ads. So this would be for Facebook feeds. You can see. So this is basically page like campaign. So my page name is showing over here, and this is the like emoji. Okay. So this is Facebook Marketplace, how our ads will be shown, Facebook feeds, search results. Okay, perfect. And if you want to share the preview to your clients, then you can click on share. Then you can click on share a link. Then you need to enable this link sharing option. Then you need to choose a date range. You can either choose 30 days or 60 days. Okay. So what you need to do, you can copy this link and give it to your client. Then they will see your ads preview. Okay, perfect. So we have created 1 ads. Okay, as I already told you, I'll be creating 3 ad sets, and in each ad set, I'm going to be using 1 ads. Okay, so currently we have created only 1 ad set, so I need to create another 2. So for creating them, I'm going to copy the existing one. Okay, so I'm going to click on this 3 dot, and I'll click on quickly duplicate. Then you can see it is duplicating an ad set. So 1 ad set has been duplicated. So for duplicating again, I'm going to click on this 3 dot again and click on quickly duplicate. It is duplicating, so it might take some while. Please have some patience. Okay, so ad set has been duplicated. So this is the copy 1, this is the copy 2, and most probably this is the main one. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna modify the ad set name as ad set 2 18 to 45. As gender targeting, I'll give female and male. So if you go to ad set 2, you can see over here as gender, we are going to be targeting female and male. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it from here and paste it over here. And as the location, I'll keep the location as Dhaka city and daily budget as $10. Okay, so the only changes I'm making is gender targeting for this ad set too. Okay, so we'll be selecting Facebook page. Performance goals would be maximize number of page likes, and this one would be our Facebook page. Daily budget, I will keep it as $10. Started October 15, ended November 15. I'm gonna click on reset your date. Then as the location, I'm gonna be using it as Dhaka city. Okay. Then as the age targeting, I'll keep it as 18 to 45. And in the gender targeting, we'll make some changes. So instead of using women, I'm gonna click on all. Okay, perfect. And we'll keep the detail targeting same as at set 1. So the targeting would be Indian wedding shari and shari. And I'll keep the placement as manual placement, and Facebook is by defaultly selected. Okay, perfect. Then if I go to the ads section, I will not make any changes in the ads portion. Okay, so I'll name it as same it is, and we're going to be using this image and this text. Okay, so everything is fine. So ad set 2 is done. Let's come to the ad set 3. Okay, so I'll rename the ad set as ad set 3, and age targeting would be 18 to 45. Gender targeting would be female or women, and I will go to the ad set 3, and you can see over here we'll be targeting entire Bangladesh as location targeting. So instead of using Dhaka, I'm going to use Bangladesh as location targeting. So this is the only changes I'm making at ad set 2. Sorry, ad set 3. So this is the only variant I'm changing at ad set 3. Okay. So I'll be choosing Facebook page. Then as performance goals, I'm going to be choosing maximize number of page likes. Then I will choose this page, okay, as my Facebook page. And I'll keep the daily budget as $10. Schedule it from October 15 to November 15. Then as the location, instead of using Dhaka division or Dhaka city, I'm going to be giving the location as Bangladesh. So I'm going to search for Bangladesh. Then I'm going to be targeting this one, Bangladesh as country or region. Perfect. Then I'll keep the age range same as at set 1, and at set 2, gender targeting would be women. Okay. And the detail targeting would be Indian wedding shari and shari. Okay. And as the placement targeting, I'll keep it as manual placement, and I'll choose Facebook over here. And you can see the placements are feeds search results. Okay. And I'll go to the ads portion, and I will keep the add images and add primary text same as ad set 1 and ad set 2. Okay, so we have created a campaign, and in this campaign we have created 3 ad sets, and in each ad set we have created 1 ads. Okay, so we are done. So what you can do, you can create the necessary campaign, and if you want, you can create multiple ad sets. And if you want to create multiple ads in each ad set, then you can do it. And if everything is okay, you can click on this publish button. Okay, so I'm not gonna click on this publish button because this is a dummy account. I didn't set up billings for this account. So hopefully you have understood. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can set up a Facebook page like campaign to increase your Facebook page likes, so hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.